I do think the optimal is probably 10 to 20 sets to failure per week per body part. And what I do is just crank the frequency and intensity up as high as I can. And I cheat a little bit. So what I do is every single day, I do a super hard set all the way to failure, full body. And then I do a rest, pause, reverse pyramid technique, which with each, do 3 sets in a row with a pause in between. And so I'm kind of cramming 3 sets into 1 set, and I'm doing that full body daily. So technically I'm doing, 21 sets to failure on each body part per week, but it's really just a triple set daily, if you know what I'm saying. And that's mostly to just optimize time efficiency. I don't think that's the very, very best way to do it for maximum muscle. I think you want a much, much longer rest time. You definitely want to use weights. You want to go to the gym for like an hour every day. You probably want to start doing some bro split type action. Right. Yeah. I mean, I'm a natural. Luckily, my testosterone seems to be pretty high naturally, which is, I guess that's a lucky thing. But I don't have a problem with testosterone replacement therapy. I do have guys who come in and for whatever reason, their testosterone is just 100 and they're just dragging around. And I absolutely prescribe it. And I think that's great. And personally, if I know that some men, as they get older, their testosterone falls. And if my testosterone gets really low, I'm sure I'll be just standing in line at the men's health clinic with my credit card like everybody else. But the vast majority of guys who come in, you're absolutely right. They just have way too much abdominal fat and way too much aromatase activity, and they're basically converting all their testosterone into estrogen. So being over fat turns men into women by aromatizing all the testosterone and estrogen, and turns women into men by turning their estrogen into testosterone. Basically, you get this like gender reversal when you're over fat. And the number one thing you can do is get thinner. Basically, I mean, I've had a ton of guys raise their testosterone dramatically by just getting thinner and more metabolically healthy. So I don't have a problem with testosterone replacement therapy, but I do think the average guy who's going to the testosterone clinic, it's pretty sad because their testosterone is only low because they're aromatizing it. And when they start injecting testosterone, they're still kind of lowish testosterone, and they're just getting man boobs and even higher estrogen levels. So honestly, they don't really look that good. So like you could just, if you're over fat and your diet and exercise sucks, you could go out and get on testosterone. You're still going to look like garbage. You're just not going to look any better. You're going to be like, you're going to get some water retention and way more. You'll get a little more lean mass, but you can't see it because you're still over fat. It doesn't help you get leaner really hardly at all. Optimize first with what you've got. And then sure, if you have an actual medical problem, your testosterone's horrible, definitely go get some testosterone. I don't have a problem with that at all.